Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow backup and restore it. This is essential for protecting your website's design and content, especially before making major changes or updates. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Log in using your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all your projects. From here, select the site you want to create a backup for and click Open in Webflow. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new blank site to follow along. Once you're inside your site editor, direct your attention to the bottom left panel. Here you'll find the settings icon. Click on it to reveal various configuration options for your site. From the menu that appears, select Backups. This is where all the magic happens for protecting your work. You'll now see a list of all your existing backup files if you've created any before. This section acts as your safety net, storing snapshots of your site at different points in time. To create a new backup, simply click on the button labeled Plus New Backup. This initiates the backup creation process. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a description name for your backup. It's helpful to use descriptive names like before homepage redesign or pre-launch version, so you can easily identify what state the site was in when the backup was created. After typing in your description, click Save to proceed. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Webflow generates the backup. The platform is taking a complete snapshot of your site's design, pages, and settings during this time. This process is usually quite quick, but the exact time depends on the complexity and size of your site. Once your backup is created, you can restore it whenever needed. Before restoring, hover your mouse over the Preview and Tab button for the backup you want to restore. You'll notice 3 dotted lines appear beside it. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click Restore Backup. This action will revert your site to the exact state it was in when that particular backup was created. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and restore backups in Webflow, giving you peace of mind whenever you make significant changes to your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.